I'm Wilkine Brutus, multimedia journalist, founder of Maps and Diaries, a documentary platform uncovering overlooked stories. I teach people how to create the atmosphere surrounding their family's memory, but most importantly, how to use stories as sort of like an estate planning method. Because we're not just leaving our homes and our wills, we're also leaving legacies in our wills. And I have 5 essential interviewing skills, a template of sorts, that you could use to interview your family members. 1, building psychological safety, active listening, asking open-ended questions, building rapport is extremely important, obviously. Emotional recognition, knowing how to read between the lines, follow-up and feedback, bringing your family into the creative process. And I think it's extremely important, mainly because interviewing your family members is like passing down a will, passing down a home in a will. It's effectively building legacy and making sure that your family knows what your legacy is.
So I'm really excited to implement what I learned today and get to know my parents a little bit better.
Something I'm going to utilize, which is within my parents, getting to know them more on a deeper level than a surface, of course.
I'm looking forward to calling my mom, calling my dad, going to see them, and asking them these questions that help me understand who they are in a way that I never could have as a child and never thought to inquire about as an adult.
I met someone who actually has a similar, even though he's from another country, our upbringing was similar. We were talking about our childhoods, and there was a lot of parallels that took place. And it was very interesting to capture that from someone who I literally just met taking this course.
So if there's one thing that we remember in life, and that's stories. We remember the stories that we tell and the stories that we share. But the thing is, many people don't share their stories because 1, they don't think it's important, or they don't feel safe. Today I learned about psychological safety, creating safety and security in your story and in the person that you're communicating with. So I look forward to interviewing my mother because I'm the only child. And there's so much that I know that she wants to share with me, but she's kind of like closed. But I am going to make sure that I create psychological safety, step 1, to make sure that I get the most out of her life.